Hello, my sewing friends. This is Friday Sews.
On the road again. I'm leaving home and I get to go to New York. That'll be interesting. And then on to Virginia to see that precious little baby boy for the weekend.
I'm Jen, and this isn't my sewing room. Boy, no, it's not. It is my little grandson's room, house, and he's smiling at me. He's smiling. Oh, goodness, this has just started this just recently, hasn't it? Yes. So this is what I've been doing all day. Got in last night, and I am with him all weekend just to help out. Gladly so. So, yeah, this is Wesley. You gonna smile some more? You gonna smile some more? So now I'm downstairs where I'm staying in my daughter Emma's apartment. My oldest daughter is the one that's gone for the weekend, and so I'm helping to take care of the little man, which I thoroughly enjoy. So sewing, let's talk about sewing. I made this past week. This is a long sleeved top. It is Simplicity 9272, and I took the tank top. That is, it's a series of coordinates, a pair of pants, a cardigan, and then a tank top. And I took the tank top and added the sleeves from the cardigan, and then just added cuffs to the sleeves. And I also widened the neckband because I don't know, I had forgotten when I made the tank top before. I had forgotten that when I made that, it's not a mock turtleneck like I thought it was. And I really wanted more of that kind of a look. So I put the regular neckband on, and then I thought, no, that's not wide enough. So it does look a little, actually it's got a toaster sweater look to it because it's almost a boat neckline, but way up high. And I was going for that mock turtleneck. So I'm cold. So this is my Harper cardigan. I wore it on the plane, it was perfect. This was like an hour start to finish. I did lengthen it a little bit. And on the Hachi knit, I did the whole thing on my serger, and the Hachi knit, I just adjusted that differential feed on my serger, and I'll tell you what, that makes all the difference. Seriously. So that's all the sewing I did. You just heard about life, what I'm doing this weekend, and I'll be home Monday morning, so I'll probably dive in and get some sewing done then because I'll finally be home for some length of time. This week's question is, what are the 3 things that you want to accomplish in 2023 with your sewing? I went over these last week. Mine are pretty simple. I want to focus on quality fabrics. I want to do more tutorials, and I want to both participate in more Instagram challenges, and I want to kind of work with my space and change it up as I need to, you know, kind of make it an ongoing thing, you know, where I reallocate things and I move things around and I just, you know, make it work. Anytime you have a sewing space, it should be something you're continually doing. So those are my 3 goals. What are your 3 goals? Let's talk about that in comments. I do want to tell you that the Sewing Expo in Lakeland, Florida is coming up in March, and I've been talking to my sewing sisters about it. I've also been registering for classes, and so if you're going to go to that, let me know because I would love to meet you. It's a lot of quilting stuff, but it's also a lot of classes that have to do with fit and making simple things, a lot of like serger stuff, like getting to know your serger. If you don't know your serger very well, you don't know everything it can do, things like that. I'm gonna take a class called Baby Your Baby, which is about maintaining a featherweight, a Singer featherweight, which is a little tiny machine. So, yeah. let's talk about that also in comments. And I guess that'll do it for now for me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. If you want to see a playlist of all the Friday sews from me, it's right over here. And I'll leave you with my favorite verse. Do justice, love mercy, and walk humbly with your God.